Today I'm demonstrating the Riv Pick set and the Rizz Pick set. Now, start off with the Riv Pick. Now, I'm told, I remember somewhere, that this is the set that replicates the profiles of the Genesis set for covert instruments. Now, these picks are very good picks. Okay. Had to put a drop of Loctite in it. Let's see. Okay. That one don't fit. Okay. Let's zoom out here. Okay. Yeah, let's try this. Break from okay. The rivet's caught. There we go. It works. And this is the Rizz. Now, this set contains the profiles of the Reaper set. Everybody knows what they can do, so no need to demonstrate that one. And that's the Rizz and the Riv. Thanks so much for watching. Y'all come back now here.